today we're making simple and easy muffins. The ingredients are 200 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 25 grams of melted butter, and 1 egg, and some chocolate chips to decorate, and some vanilla essence, and 120 ml of milk. First, we shift the flour into this big bowl. Now I've finished shifting the flour into the big bowl. Now I'm going to add some baking powder into the big bowl. And now I'm going to mix it. And now add the sugar into it. And mix it very, very well. And crack the egg inside the bowl. And next add the milk into it. And the melted butter. And some drops of vanilla essence. And mix it well with a fork. Add this mixture to this big bowl. And mix it well with a fork. And really mix it well. While mixing this, preheat the oven 190 degrees Celsius. Then add the cake cases, and you can do any pattern. You can do any kind of colors. You can do yellow and that, or yellow or the green, or pink or that color, or pink or the green. Anything. And scoop the mixture into the muffin tray. And now decorate with chocolate chips. And when you're done decorating your muffin, now you can put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Fine, it's ready. Let's taste it. I'm sure you enjoy it. And it tastes good. And you also try. Bye. See you soon.